Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials channel. In this video we will be discussing the most important skill that will help you find your mixed voice. And this thing is twang. I mentioned this before in my previous video, so now we will focus on that. What is twang? Twang is actually narrowing your larynx, and it sounds difficult, but you can find this voice step by step. And once you have found it, everything will become easier. There are some approaches how to find this voice. You can use whining sound, like this. You can use your NG sound and some other approach. First of all, the main thing, start with your head voice and keep the sound light. The main thing to focus on is keep your sound as light as you can, and then make it sound more ringing, more whining, not by yelling and not by adding chest, but just adding this whining, ringing frequencies by narrowing your larynx. So the first approach, just start whining. Pay attention to the quality of voice. It remains head voice. It's not chest voice. It's not like the hey. It's not like this. It's head voice. But you make it sound more ringing and whining. Just copy any puppy or a dog when it says the next approach is try to remember yourself when you were a child and you said to your mom, Mama. Again, this makes your larynx more narrow, but in your head voice. The next approach, remember yourself when you trying some delicious food and you say so those high frequencies tell you that you found this position. So okay, the cockroach. You can try to mimic the cockroach. Again, this makes narrow, but also it may tempt you to make your larynx higher, but we will discuss it later. The last approach is just NG sound. When you can find this narrowing of the larynx in your NG sound. So, for example, you can make your NG sound just like this. It means that there's no narrowing in your larynx, and when you make it ringing, like it means that you found your twang sound. So again, focus on the sound try to make it from this to this. But again, keep it light, keep it in your head voice, and try to make it louder, make it more ringing, not by yelling, but remaining your head voice, but adding those high frequencies like or by whining. Once you have learned to do that, it won't be difficult to just give a little bit chest voice, little bit push, and then you will have something like this. And there is no limits. So see you in the next videos.